if we are to weigh His gift to us, then how can we repay it? Just like Krishna was asking His devotees to weigh Him, and so they are putting so many gold objects, but no matter how much gold He put, He was much heavier. So finally, they got the secret. They put on a tulsi leaf the word Krishna, the name Krishna, and they put that on the scale and that tilted. That one cannot repay Krishna, the spiritual master, by any amount of gold or material things alone. One has to give, just like Krishna and His name are not different, so Krishna plus Tulsi was heavier than Krishna. So we have to give everything, thought, word, deed, everything to Krishna. Plus what? What else is there? You see. So therefore, even we give everything, we still can't match. So therefore, we become hopeless. How to repay the debt? But Srila Prabhupada is so kind that he has revealed the secret that there's no way to repay the debt. Even at one time, if one syllable of the word Krishna is given or taught to someone, their debt is so great that no amount of service, of material repayment could ever repay that debt. So simply we have to be satisfied with the attempt to repay.